We will now place windows in the model. Similar to doors, windows are objects that can be selected from the library, modified on the fly, setting the basic size as well as type, manufacturer, and other information needed in the schedule, and then save the customizations to the project WorkSet. Set the floor selector to the station ground floor. Select the Place Window tool from the architectural ribbon. Select the catalog item W1 Ticket Window from the pull-down. This is a window catalog item that was already created and saved to this project WorkSet. In the preview window, select the placement origin for the window. Note the window can be placed from either the head or the sill. The selection will affect the sill head height setting below. Since we would like to align the head of the window with the head of the doors, let's select a placement point at the top center of the window. On the Preferences tab, set the front offset and the sense distance to match what you set for the door. The front offset should be 4 inches or 100 millimeters, and the sense distance should be 1 foot or 300 millimeters. Set the sill head height to 8 foot 2 inches or 250 millimeters. Based on the origin selected for the cell, this will be the distance from the active floor level to the top of the window. On the Window Parameters tab, the default window dimensions should already be set. Tab, the window is already defined. Scroll down and view information or properties that were already saved to this window type. This information can be harvested from the model when creating schedules. Place the window in the model at the platform side of the station building. Select the exterior brick wall where the window is to be placed. You can work in any view. Next, select the placement point along the wall. AccuSnap to the midpoint of the wall and data point to accept. Finally, data point or left-click again to define the exterior side of the window. Reset to finish. One window is placed. You can use the Copy tool to place additional windows of the same size and type. Tap the spacebar and select the Copy tool. In the Copy Element dialog, you can define the number of copies to make. We'll make 2 copies in each direction. Select the window and copy to the right a distance of 4 foot 6 or 1500 millimeters. It will automatically copy this distance 2 times. Select the window again and copy to the left a distance of 4 foot 6 or 1500 millimeters. You should now have 5 ticket windows placed in the center bay along the platform. In this session, you have placed a predefined window in the model and then copied it multiple times to create additional windows of the same size and type. In the next session, you will place storefront on the front face of the building using the curtain wall tool.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.